County in northern Delaware, northwestern Salem County in southern New Jersey, northwestern Gloucester County in southern New Jersey, southeastern Berks County in eastern Pennsylvania, west central Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania, central Chester County in southeastern Pennsylvania, County in southeastern Pennsylvania, Delaware County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 6:15 p.m. At 5:27 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Beaconsfield to Marshallton to Glen Westover, moving at 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations affected include Philadelphia, Camden, Wilmington, Newark, Westchester, Lansdale, West Norton, East Norton, Pennsville, and 10 p.m. for northern Delaware, southern New Jersey, and southeastern Pennsylvania. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in the 30th room on the lowest floor of the building. A tornado watch remains in effect. A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania: Berks, Bucks, Chester, Delaware, Montgomery and Philadelphia, and Newcastle, Delaware, and the following counties in New Jersey: Gloucester and Salem.